Good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Got myself, this is actually my second cup of coffee in one of my cups that I absolutely love, my Mackenzie Childs design ceramic travel cup thingy-mabobber. Mackenzie Childs, I don't know if you can Google it, but it's basically a ceramic, I guess, manufacturer that is very popular. I don't know if it's nationwide or not, but in our area, it's huge and it's very, very expensive. And the only time I've ever been to look at their stuff, when they have their barn sale, they have like an annual barn sale where they sell closeout items, they sell chipped items. They just kind of like decrease their inventory by offering things at extremely reduced prices. I mean, their prices are astronomical. You can pay like $70 for a teapot. It's like really crazy. I think this was discounted to $12 from like $30, and it has like a green cup, a green cover that you put on top of it. I've been to the yards. I've been to the barn sale once a few years ago. It's every July. It's like it goes over 2 days, and you literally have to wait over an hour and a half to even get into the. There's a big barn, and then there's like huge like circus tents that they have set up with all of their stuff, all of their inventory on clearance. So, anyways, I'm rambling on about that. What's going on today? Today I have a quick doctor's appointment. It's just a follow-up for it's a pulmonary doctor for breathing. I was previously diagnosed to have a CPAP machine, and I haven't needed to use it for the past like year and a half. So I go to that doctor once a year, and they just kind of check my breathing and do a few little tests and stuff like that, just to make sure that I still do not need to have like an additional sleep study, to make sure I still don't need the CPAP machine to sleep at night. So I got that going on, and then it's just going to be, I may try to record my video. I've yet to record my video yet for the Clever Fox notebooks that I got. I want to do like a comparison between those, the Electrum and the Erin Condren dot grid notebooks for bullet journaling. So I'll be doing that hopefully this afternoon, and I'm going to put that up on the main channel. What else is going on? My arm's getting tired. Can I put you down like this? My arm's getting tired. It's hard to hold this up for a long time. It's snowing out. It's snowing out again, shocker. Just had breakfast. I had a couple of quick scrambled eggs. And yeah. Oh, I gotta go through my mail too. I have to go through my mail. I have some bills I have to pay. And oh, the other thing I want to try to see if I can do today is we've been having a problem with many people in New York State have been having a problem with their license plates. They're literally like peeling off, like the lettering, like everything that has like the license plate number is like peeling off. I think it's because of just the weather, and I think it was bad manufacturing on their part. So I know there's a way to put in a request to get a new license plate, and I have to figure out exactly what I have to do that. Yeah, so I can get that taken care of today. So trying to get that taken care of, and I also need to call the Children's Miracle Network and see about them picking up. We have an old car that's in the driveway that's been in our driveway forever that is just a junk car. Originally, I thought I could sell it for scrap, like I could have a scrapper come and give me some money for it, but that's not happening. I've tried, and just nobody's wanting to come take it and give me money. So I'm just going to donate it to the Miracle Network. I figured if they can sell it for scrap and use it for, childhood cancers and stuff like that, and it stays local here to Syracuse, that I think that's going to be the best thing. So I'm going to try to call them today to see if they can come pick up that car and get that out of my driveway, because that'll help a lot with us clearing the snow and stuff like that in the wintertime. So yeah, so that's the morning update for me for today. I will check back with you guys in a little while and see if anything more progresses.
Go for the summer when I'm light. Boy, got your body on my mind. You make my heart beat faster. I'll be a sweet disaster. Deep in my bones, I want your love, love, love. Take off your clothes, clothes, clothes. I want your love, love.
It is still snowing out, but it's a wet snow. The driveway's all like slushy. The car really doesn't need to be brushed off that much, but there is like thick snow. See if I can show you. Good packing snow. I like these kind of appointments because I don't have to sit up here. Just get to sit here. Oh, so I just finished up with the doctors. Look at these. Whoa, I almost fell, guys. With the doctors, look at these. Whoa. Look at these cute trees. Look like Christmas trees. I literally just almost fell on my butt. And it's on the vlog. I can't wait to see how that comes out. I have these, it's very slippery there. I have these Uggs, kind of like sock boots, per se. And, I love them because you can just slide them on, slide them off. But yeah. No, this is not dandruff. This is snow in my hair. So yeah, I got a clean bill of health at the breathing pulmonary doctor. I'm only on a follow-up as needed. I have not been on the CPAP machine for over a year. And they said that all my vitals, my breathing test, everything like that came out perfect. It really was, my CPAP was actually brought on by weight gain. So for any of you that are on a CPAP machine and it was caused by weight gain, when you lose the weight, you can lose the CPAP machine. Evidently for me, my weight gain was a lot in my neck, and because I had lost enough weight that I can now breathe a lot easier at night, and I can get a better night's sleep. So anyways, time for me to go home so I can figure out what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. So let's see if we can get this fixed. I keep on getting a sign that my coolant, I believe this is the coolant, is low, which it is. so I'm going to attempt to fill it. Ooh, that looks good. And we're off. So I'm back home from all of my gallivanting, and I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the things that I ended up picking up at Walmart yesterday that I didn't show in yesterday's vlog. The first one is a pair of boots, kind of used, I'm gonna be using them just for like kicking around, like if I'm shoveling outside, going for a walk. They're more functional than fashion. So let me show you them. They have like this, kind of like a sock-ish back. I don't have them tied up because I'm just showing you guys, but they do lace all the way up. They seem very, very comfortable, and they're very, they seem very warm and comfortable. So yeah, so these are going to be my, if I'm out just running to the store, running errands, shoveling, going for a walk in the wintertime. So now I have these, I have my good tall boots, I have my Uggs slipper boots, and oh, the other item I picked up was, that I didn't show, was this top, and it's gorgeous. It is just a plain button-down V-neck top, but look at the back. I don't know if I can show you this. The back has like this pattern with the crisscross opening, in its like 3/4 length. Awesome. The price of it was like $10.92. And then I did end up picking up the sparkle shirt, and I ended up getting the mustard shirt, thermal shirt. So those were the Walmart official purchases from yesterday. Have you ever started to sort out something and then just wanted to put your head down to relax, and then you fell asleep and take a 2-hour nap? That's what happened with me and douters. So I was sitting here in the YouTube studio, actually going through all my stuff for my planner, and I'm sorry I'm a little bit stuffed up because I've been laying down. And I was going through, like, I have markers. I totally forgot I had all the stamping stuff for my planner. I'm like, oh, I can use that. But I had this little carrier thing that I had that I wanted to, like, carry my stuff around from room to room. I have too much stuff for the carrier, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So this is what I'm talking about. This was the 31 bag that I picked up with the idea to be able to put my planners in, plus a few other things like on either side. But in looking at my overwhelming stash, I'm definitely going to have to pare down. This is like a lot of stamps. This is stuff I don't need to have around. Flags. glue, some washi tape hanging on over. This is like a middle page stapler. It's really cool. You can basically go into a middle of a page and staple something. What's this? This is a tag hole punch. Like pens, pencils, and then you guys have seen what's in that bag. And this is just one little bag of stickers, but I got stickers all over the place. So I have no idea how I'm going to be able to put everything nicely in here. I guess I just want stuff exactly like just my immediate needs in here, and then everything else can kind of go in here when I want to like big time spread out and play, I guess. I don't know. This is what I'm working on today. Anyways, I got sick of trying to fight over all of these stationery supplies, and I put my head down for a few minutes, and Douters put his head down with me, and we ended up taking like a 2-hour nap. Didn't we? But now he's excited to be up, and he's all full of spit and vinegar today. Can you hear him squeal? Can you hear him squeal? Right, dudes? What do you think? Should we make this a Douter vlog? He never looks up at the camera. Do you ever notice that? He never looks up at the camera. Look up here. Look, Douters. Hey. There we go. He's like a parrot on my shoulder. It's not a good view of it. Douters, I gotta teach you about angles. He doesn't understand how to record a video so that your chin doesn't show. Ow. That hurt. Oh dear. Anyways, I'm going to end this vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day. Douters. Douters. Are we going to chat with them in our next video? And we'll chat with you in our next video. Bye, guys. Douters, say bye.